You sit there at night, exhausted, staring at your screen like it personally betrayed you. You've been busy all day. Emails, tasks, random things popping up, more tasks, a little scrolling, back to work, somehow tired again. And at the end of it, you feel productive. Not accomplished. Just tired. And for some reason, we've all agreed that being tired means you're doing something right. That's the lie. We've confused working hard with looking like we're working hard. Because real hard work is boring. It's focused. It's repetitive. It doesn't feel chaotic or dramatic. But what most people do instead is fill their day with activity. Not progress, activity. Answering messages instantly. Switching between tasks every 5 minutes. Doing things that feel urgent but don't actually move anything forward. It feels intense, so it must be productive, right? Not really. Your brain loves this kind of work because it gives you tiny hits of satisfaction without requiring deep effort. You respond to something, you feel useful. You check something off, you feel productive, but nothing meaningful actually gets built. It's like running on a treadmill. A lot of movement, same place. And here's the sneaky part. Being busy protects your ego. Because if you're always doing something, you never have to face the uncomfortable question. Is this actually working? Real progress forces you to sit down and focus on one thing for a long time. No distractions, no quick wins, just slow, sometimes frustrating effort. And most people avoid that, not because they're lazy, but because it's mentally uncomfortable. Your brain would rather do 10 easy things than one hard thing, because easy things make you feel in control. Hard things remind you that you're not as good as you thought, yet. So instead, people build a schedule that looks impressive. Full calendar, constant movement, zero stillness, and then wonder why nothing changes. Another part of the lie, time spent does not equal value created. You can work 10 hours and produce less than someone who worked 3 hours with actual focus. But we don't like that idea, because it means effort alone isn't enough. It means you can't just grind your way out of everything. You actually have to think, decide what matters, ignore everything else. And that's harder than just staying busy. So people default to what feels productive instead of what is productive. And over time, this creates a weird cycle. You feel tired, so you assume you worked hard. You assume you worked hard, so you expect results. When results don't come, you think you need to work even harder. So you add more tasks, more hours, more chaos. Not realizing the problem was never effort. It was direction. And that's why some people stay stuck for years while constantly feeling exhausted. They're not lazy. They're just pouring energy into things that don't matter enough. And here's the part that hits a little too close. If you removed half the things you did today, there's a good chance your results wouldn't change at all. Because most of what we call hard work is just well-disguised distraction. And yeah, that's a lot harder to admit than saying you just need to try harder.